In this video, we are going to install Assistant from scratch. As you can see in the documentation, there are 4 steps required for the installation, and everything is clearly explained there. However, there is one very important prerequisite. Assistant is only available starting from version 6.7. So first, in RhinoArtisan, we go to the top right corner and click on Information. Here we can check the RhinoArtisan version we are currently using. The first thing we need to do is define that we want to use the AI locally. To do this, we go to Settings, then Artisan. Inside Integrations, under Assistant, we select the option to run it locally. This step is very important. Make sure the local option is enabled. Next, it will ask us to select a folder to work with. This folder is used for training semantic search. For now, we can skip this step. Once this is done, RhinoArtisan will ask us to close it. The next step is to install Ollama. What is Ollama? Ollama is an open-source model manager that allows us to quickly and easily manage different AI models. To download it, we go to the Ollama website. You can find the link in the documentation or simply search for Ollama. Select the Windows option and click Download for Windows. Once the download is complete, install it normally. After the installation, we can close Ollama and return to RhinoArtisan. The third step is to go to the Ollama command inside RhinoArtisan. At this point, RhinoArtisan will inform us that we need to download a model in order to start working. When asked if we want to install it, we select Yes. The first model is more than 4 gigabytes, so the download may take several minutes. Once this finishes, RhinoArtisan will ask us to install a second model. This one is much smaller and downloads much faster. As you can see here, we now have the model manager with both models installed. Later on, we will see how to add more models for additional features, but this is all we need to get started. The fourth and final step is to open Assistant. You can dock it anywhere inside RhinoArtisan or leave it as a floating window. This is completely up to you. In this case, I will dock it here and adjust the width as needed. The first thing we will test is a simple message. Hi, how are you? If Assistant responds, everything is working correctly. In the next videos, we will show different use cases and applications for Assistant. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at any time.